So it's Sunday morning. Family all went out to breakfast. I'm in the garage. Time to finish this up today. At least get it run over and across the garage. So let's get to it. So as I was saying before, we're going to go ahead and remove this section here. We have a hose line right here underneath, so there's no point in putting a line here. So we're going to go ahead and run this all the way to the wall, or actually to the center thing, and then we're going to run it over. So let's get this thing unhooked. And I'm going to need a little bit of work. I tell you, when you tighten these up, they hold well. Fitting. That's almost perfect. Almost. A little bit short up here. But other than that, we're okay. Set that in place. Got a little bit of wiggle room. I thought it was going to be. Let's see if this is midpoint or not. No, this is too short. So. snug them up. Don't go crazy on them. All right, so now we've got our center drop, and we're going all the way over there, so we're good there. So it looks like 21 inches. So now I got to go find a 21-inch piece and or cut one for it, and we'll be right back. Bunch of little short ones, but nothing about 21 inches. So I go do. So we're going to cut this piece. It's a piece we've already cut, so we can go 21 inches on this one. Get my marker. We're going to go 22 inches because the coupler will slide up about an inch, so that'll make it a lot easier for us. And I've got to put some music on for you guys while I watch or listen to Derek work on his hayfield. Dane, why don't you lay down, buddy? Take a load off, dude. And that'll give us everything we need. So let me go cut these and we'll be done with that. Okay, now that piece is built. Let's go put it in. Okay, let's tighten that up and get our brackets on. Once we've got pipes on this, we can move it over a little bit. Come, go that way, and go this way. So over here, we're going to come to this point, and then we'll curve down, and we'll put a manifold right here in this area. So.